Hello guys, today I'll be making soya nutri dosa and these are the ingredients required for it. Actually I forgot to film it. So I boiled some soya, like 2 cups, because it's for my sister and me. Then tomato, red chili, this is the spicy one, and an inch of ginger. I boiled this for like 5 minutes and then let it cool down so that we may make a paste of it in the mixie, obviously. Also, I wanted to tell you all, don't throw the salt water which you have boiled the soyabean in. Like, keep it to the end because all the taste is in it. You'll require it. As you can see, I've made a smooth paste of it. It just looks like chicken keema. Oops, sorry, whoever is vegetarian here. We love soyabean, just FYI. I don't know why I gave that. And now, actually, soyabean already has water. It absorbs water, so we don't require much water. But yeah, you can add a little bit because you need a smooth paste. And now let me show you what I'll do next. So now I have transferred the soya bean paste, chili, tomato, what else, ginger paste in the bowl, and now I will add rice flour, wheat flour, a little bit of salt in this. I've already mixed it and kept it, as you can see. It's like, yeah. If you like ajwain, you can add ajwain too for taste. Like my mom loves it, and my mom doesn't like soyabean, but yeah, I'm not gonna tell her that I've made soyabean. I'll give it to her like that and then mix it well. जैसे आप देख रहे हो, this is आटा जैसे हो गया है, and obviously we require water in it. As I told you, keep the soyabean water. You can add this a little and keep stirring. मेरे हाथ में कैमरा और ये दोनों है, तो इसलिए मैं दिखा नहीं सकती हूँ. It won't be possible, but I'll show you the end results, okay? So guys, now as you can see, the batter is a little smooth. Now we will add a little bit masala because we like masaladar. Dhania, red chili, a little bit of turmeric. Yeah, here you go. Also, this is not a paid promotion, but I'll add a little bit Maggi masala for taste. क्योंकि माँ के हाथ का मसाला, मैगी मसाला, ये थोड़ा सा डालते हैं. हाँ, I also added pepper. I forgot to tell you, sorry. Let's transfer it into the bowl, the batter, sorry. Guys, as you can see, this paste is also smooth, and the capsicum, a little bit chili, carrot is completely mixed in this. Also, I put coriander, yeah, the main ingredient coriander, because it requires taste. Also, keep a non-stick pan and olive oil with you, because as this gets hot, we are going to start making. Now that the tawa is hot, let's add some. Well, I'm also making for the first time. I hope it comes out to be good, huh? And let it cook. Keep the gas slow only. As you can see, I pulled out. मैंने पहले इसको ऐसे turn कर दिया. It became a mess, so you have to let it boil because of the soya bean, the veggies in it. You shouldn't do this. Yeah, so first attempt failed. Let's see whether the second attempt comes out to be good. But the second side is come good, yeah. And as it is soyabean, it takes a lot of time. I know it's so irritating, but yeah, you have to let it roast nicely. Don't deep fry it, but let it roast. This is the back side of the failed one. It's not that fail. यार खाना ही है ना, पेट के अंदर ही तो जाना है यार. बस कच्चा नहीं रहना चाहिए, बस पेट दर्द होगा. Come down, nice. This is the failed one, guys. It's not fail, yeah. जला तो नहीं गया. So as this is soyabean, it will remain like that from the middle, but yeah, it is yum. So enjoy.